Welcome to New Futures Trading. Right here we're looking at the Bank Nifty. Now I've been a few minutes here sitting, waiting, and I did some calculations. I'm looking to get into a short, and I'm looking for the possibility as to where it could go. To where it could go is where this gap is. It would be this area here. So that's a good distance. That would be a very, very profitable short to begin with. Now, reasons why I'm looking for short. There's a gap. From here to here, there is divergence. MACDs are already in top of the Bollinger Band with separation. And then why this area here? Because this would be, another thing is, from there to there to there, this has done 100% extension. So I have 100% extension, a reason to consider a short. One, two reasons to do a short. Divergence. Three reasons to do a short. Gap. And now what I'm looking for is another reason, which would be hitting the deep retracements right here. This one or this one. And here, and then I'll be looking for another reason, which is the shape of the bars. See the way this bar ran up, close up? The next one comes down and closes right next to it. That's important. That's the beginning of a run here, and that's important. And I just got here to look at the market around this area here. Have I not gotten in at this here? Have I gotten here a little bit early and I saw this taking place the way this looks like, especially on this bar right here, especially right here on this area, then this would have been a place I could have taken a long and looked for the deep pullback, exit up here and reverse. So we're going to pause this video and get to our areas to where we're going to do business. And this is the first time I look at Bank Nifty futures live, so I don't really know how fast it moves. So we'll wait on it and come back and see. Welcome back. When I paused the camera, I'm going to say last night because it was my night when Bank Nifty opened up for you. We were on this area here. Now, it is right now, let me see our time. It is right now 6:19 p.m. So what happened is once I paused the camera last night, my internet just went down. I had no internet last night. So I waited for almost 45 minutes, no internet. I went to bed and I just woke up and I wanted to see what happened according to what we were talking about. So this is right now 6:50 a.m. for me, which is 6:20 p.m. for you. And I'm continuing the video, so I pray you understand what I'm saying. And here's what happened. Now, what the expectations was, let's go back here. The expectations was for the market to come to this green line. And the market was the green line or the yellow line. That was the expectations. And please understand, I say a lot, I use the word a lot, the market, the market. The market is any product I'm looking at. If I'm looking at Bank Nifty, or if I'm looking at S&P, or if I call that a market, because it is a market. So once it hit here and it came off, right here you have what we call a bar setup. Shoulder, red bar setup. And if you follow this, and if you follow what happened here, and even if you didn't take a position here, you could have taken a position throughout all of these. You have here another shoulder, head busted up, because right through here, you can see, let me put my tracker, that it is going down. Even though, so look at all the divergence, price going up, but the power is going down. And I've used before the example of the gas pedal. It's to the floor, which means it's going to push this down. So throughout all of this, and then the expectation was to close this gap. And did it close the gap? Yes, it did. I wish I would have been here to talk through this, but tomorrow is another day. And what I want to show you here again is that what I'm teaching you is very accurate. Very accurate, and you can learn how to do this. You've been on our 7-day free trial. You have seen all kinds of other explanations. It's time to make the decision to join New Futures Trading and become very successful at what you do every single day with the market, no matter what product. And if you're watching this video for the first time and you never join us for 7-day free trial, do send us your complete name, telephone number, and Skype ID, because that Skype allows us to communicate back and forth. And come and join us and see the two major aspects to learning how to do this. Mind over matter, the psychology of trading the markets, and the technicals. Have yourselves a blessed day.